Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel and happy 4th of July. So today is Independence Day for the United States. So here we have, right? Yeah. So, hey. So we celebrate with barbecues and fireworks and all kinds of other festivities. My husband had to work today, so I really didn't celebrate very much. And I wasn't going to do a makeup look, but I started watching some makeup tutorials, right? And decided, actually got inspired to do my take on an Independence Day makeup look. I did something a little more wearable. It is festive, it's fun. You've got the red, the blue, you've got the you've got the white in the inside, you've got the signature red lips, and of course, to give that little sparkle of the stars, we've got some glitter liner on there as well. So, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look with this little boy in the mix and my other children, it is a terrible video. I'm gonna let you know right now that I do go back and forth with a voiceover and with me talking as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I got through to get this beautiful makeup look, then grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, right? And let's tell them. Look, let's tell them. Say, keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using the Benefit Professional because that's what I had close to me. So now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to use this to prime my lids. And after I prime my lids, I realized that I don't have my brows on. So I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil and do my brows. So as I'm creating this look, I got my eyebrows, and both my babies decided to wake up. So it's always the way. So we're going to try to get through this as fast as we can. Now I'm going to go in with the BrowGal Instatint, and that's to fluff up my eyebrows and make it look more natural. Sorry about the flip-flopping back and forth to voiceover. It's what I had to do. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette and the ColourPop palette in Yes Please, and we're going in with that first shade. I'm going in with a neutral color just to get my crease nice and defined. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and this is all with the Yes Please palette. Again, highlighting my brow bone. And I wanted some warmth behind the red. Red is already warm, but I really wanted to make sure that I had a nice transition color. Next, I'm going into one shade deeper, but it's more of an orangey color. Now I'm packing in a red color in the Yes Please palette, and I'm taking that all over my lid, making sure I really pack that red color. I want it to be really vibrant. Okay, to deepen the red, I went in with MAC Single Shadow. So I'm back, and I had one eye done, and Mr. Krabby Pants here was way too crabby. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I actually had to get, I didn't use the Jaclyn Hill palette yet. I had to get another palette. I used the Femme Rosa palette from ColourPop, the She palette. I used a deeper red that's in there. I also mixed MAC Never Say Never, this cranberry red, to try to make the red on my eye a little bit more vibrant. And then of course I used the Yes Please palette. Yeah, and then I used the NYX Vivid Brights. I used the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glitter Liner in white gold to line. I also used the Tarte Sex Kitten to tightline, and then I just used a pair of Demi Wispy lashes. So now I'm going to do the next eye. So now I'm going into that She palette from the Femme Rosa ColourPop collaboration, and I'm going in with the deeper red that I found in that palette just to really make that color more vibrant. Now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Single Shadow in Never Say Never, and I'm going to layer that on top as well just to make it more vibrant again. Next, going in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and that's in the color Sapphire. And as you can see, I suck at wing liner, so I'm going really slow, piece by piece, because I want it to be nice and straight, because I am going to be layering another liner on top, which is the glitter liner that you see on my other eye. But yeah, I suck at liner, just so you know, and it takes patience. So if you're not good at liner, don't worry, you'll get there eventually. I'm slowly getting there. It just takes time and a whole lot of patience. And next, I'm going to be going in with the Tarteist eyeliner, and that's the glitter liner in white gold. And I'm just layering that right on top of the blue liner in, again, small sections, just to make sure I get enough glitter on there so that you can see it and so that it layers really nicely. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Sex Kitten black eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing my tight line, making that nice and black because we are putting on false lashes. And then after that, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using the e.l.f. Length and Volumizing Mascara. I'm just going to put a really light layer because I'm going to put some false lashes on, and then I'll just use more of the mascara to mesh the lashes together. And these are just some Demi Wispies that I'm showing. So I went on camera and did my foundation, concealer, my bronzer, my blush. So I will list those down below. And I'm gonna finish up the bottom of my under eyes. And I'm gonna actually take, I have my 2-year-old here, so you have to give me a chance because this has just been crazy. So we're going in with the lower lash line. So I have red on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a blue NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cobalt, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. Okay, so I was originally going to use either my Morphe palette or my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, but I actually am going to use 2 single shadows. This is the L'Oreal Paris Single Shadow in Grand Bleu, and then this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Single Shadow in Sugar. So we are going to do our bottom lash line with this. I've been dying to use this single eyeshadow, and now I'm finally gonna do it. And I'm sorry if you hear all this crap going on behind me, but my son is trying to watch my baby. My 2-year-old is running around trying to do makeup, and I'm trying to finish this 4th of July look so that I can go ahead and just finish this off. So let's go in. I'm gonna go in with that blue. And being that I have a blue liner, I'm actually going to take this in the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with that white in the inner part of my eye. And I think I'm actually going to go over that just with ColourPop single Super Shock Shadow in the color Liberty. And I just want to just put a little bit of a brightness on there. Just a little. Now going in with the highlight, I'm actually going to use the Essence The Metals eyeshadow. It's a baked eyeshadow with a metallic effect, and it's Ballerina Glam, and I'm just going to use that as my highlight today. I've been loving this as a highlight. It's just so pretty. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Let's set this. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus. And of course, last but not least, those iconic, beautiful red lips. Can't have a 4th of July without red lips. So I'm actually going to go in with something I've never used before. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color 69. Then this is the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lip Stick, and this is in the color Crimson. So let's check it out. This is the final look. This is my take on a wearable 4th of July makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share, please. So I appreciate everyone who watches, everyone who supports me. Thank you so much, and I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.